Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chooks, and as usual I'm very excited to share yet another video with you. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to register your website on Google so that Google can be able to index your website, and by so doing you have huge number of traffic coming to your website. So I'm going to do that in two ways. The number one way is if your website is running a PHP script, and the second way is if your website is running on WordPress. So if you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you have any question in between this video, please leave it for me in the comment section below. Finally, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I come up with a new video like this. So without wasting much of our time guys, let's get started into this video. So the first way we are going to look into is if your website is running a PHP script. So now let's go over to a new tab and search for Search Console. So we are just going to follow the first link right here, open it up, and then when that is open you can click on Start Now. So when that loads up, if your Google account is not logged in already into your computer, into your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using, so go ahead and log in your Google account into the browser, and then just click on here, and then you can see Add Property. So when you click to add property, you're just going to enter the domain name right here. My domain name is https nschooks.com. So make sure your domain name there is correct, and then click on continue. Okay, we are being prompted to download this HTML file and then upload it to our file manager. You can see that right there. So now I'm just going to click on this HTML file right here, click on it, and it will be downloaded to my computer. And now I'm just going to go over to my cPanel right here, and then click on File Manager to open up the File Manager section. And then the next thing will be to upload this file onto our public_html. So let's open up the public_html and then click on upload. So when that loads up, I'm just going to drag this file right here to upload that. You can see that. So when it turns green, I'm just going to click on this, go back right here, and then the work is done for the file manager. You can see the file that we uploaded right here. So now let's just go back to the Google verification, and then let's click on the verify, since we have uploaded the file onto the public_html, and then let's see if it gets verified or not. Checking for verification, and you can see that ownership verified. You can see that right there. So you can just click on go to property, and you can now see your search console right here. So with time it will initialize and you start seeing some data right here. So guys, we are done registering our website on Google if our website is running a PHP website. Then next we are going to look into how to register your website on Google if your website is running on WordPress. So the very first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover on plugins, and then go over to the add new section. When you're there, you need to search for the plugin called SiteKit. Just type in SiteKit right here, and then you will see the plugin right here, SiteKit by Google. Click on it to install, and after installation you can click on it to activate. So the plugin has been activated, and then the next thing you need to do is to set it up. So you can see this button right here, Start Setup. Click on it. Okay, you can see connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So if you want to include Google Analytics, you can as well do that, but for now I'm just going to register it on Google Search Console. So I'll just click on sign in with Google. Okay, right here you're required to choose a Google account, so I'll just choose one of my Google accounts. So right now, if none of your Google account is logged in into the browser, you need to log one of them in so that you can use it to verify ownership. So now just click on continue. Okay, right here it tells you are already verified. So just click on next, turn on metrics in your dashboard, click on allow, click on next once again. And guys, congratulations, that is all you have to do. Go back to your dashboard. So when it comes to WordPress right here, you are only required to click on buttons and you'll get your website verified on Google. So guys, this is all I've got for you today. If you learned something from this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any question in between this video, leave it for me in the comment section below. And lastly, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. So that will be it in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.